If you run a local business, using Google My Business (GMB) ads is a powerful way to attract more customers online. GMB ads appear when people search for products or services like yours on Google Search and Maps, helping you reach potential customers exactly when they're looking for what you offer. Here are some essential tips to get the most out of your GMB ads. First, make sure your GMB listing is complete and accurate. Before spending on ads, ensure your business name, address, phone number, website, hours, and photos are all up to date. Google prioritizes complete and verified listings, and this helps your ads perform better. Next, focus on local targeting. Google My Business ads work best when you target the right audience, people in your local area who are actively searching for services you provide. Use location targeting to ensure your ads reach potential customers nearby, rather than a broader, less relevant audience. Optimize your ad copy and call to action. Highlight what makes your business unique, mention promotions or deals, and include a clear action for users, like call now, get directions, or book online. Compelling messaging can increase engagement and clicks. Leverage high-quality images and visuals in your listing. Ads that show attractive, professional photos of your products, services, or storefront tend to get more attention and clicks. Visuals help build trust and make your business stand out from competitors. Track performance using insights and metrics. Google provides analytics for your GMB ads, showing how many people saw your ad, clicked on it, requested directions, or called your business. Use this data to adjust your targeting, messaging, and visuals for better results over time. Finally, consider running promotions or offers through your GMB listing alongside ads. Special offers encourage users to take immediate action, increasing conversions from clicks to actual visits or purchases. Thanks for watching. If these tips help you understand how to run effective Google My Business ads, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more local marketing strategies, advertising tips, and business growth hacks. Comment below and let me know, have you tried running GMB ads yet, and what results did you see?